During the Revolutionary War, women served as the housekeepers of war. They followed their husbands into battle, and they cooked and they cleaned and they tended to the wounded. During the Civil War, 400 women would serve on both the Confederate and Union sides. Disguised as men, many of them went years unnoticed. World War I saw 35,000 women serve as clerks, truck drivers, radio operators, telephone operators, translators, and munition workers. This was the first time that women were allowed to enlist in the military so that they could free up their male counterparts to be sent overseas for direct combat operations. World War II, we had 350,000 women who served: nurses, cryptologists, military intelligence, and parachute riggers. In 1943, the Women's Air Force Service Pilots, or WASPs, would fly 60 million miles in 2 years in supporting the war effort. Korea, we saw 120,000 women serve between 1950 and 1953 in positions such as military police, and of course a third of that number were in the medical field. Vietnam had 10,000 women who served. 90% were nurses, while the other 10% were administrative roles. Desert Storm, 37,000, or 6% served. We were not allowed to be assigned to combat units. However, we served as helicopter pilots, engineers, military intelligence, ordnance, aboard ships, radar technicians, air traffic controllers, and many other service support roles. Operation Iraqi Freedom from March of 2003 to December of 2011 saw 300,000 women serving in Iraq and Afghanistan. Women became integral in intelligence gathering as they were allowed amongst the women and children in local villages. And it's the opportunity to serve that we celebrate today. The recognition of our service and sacrifice from the beginning of our early days as a country to today. It's an honor to celebrate the many female veterans that are here today. Their courage to step up and serve when job options were limited in a male-dominated field, and certainly not a job for the faint of heart.